Today on CLC, we're going to be putting our Stage 1 injectors into our OBS POWERSTROKE. The first thing we need to do is to remove these two electrical connections. So the next thing you'll need to do is to remove the bolts from the valve cover. And in order to do that, you'll need a 10mm socket and a 13mm deep well socket. Now that all the bolts have been removed, we need to take the valve cover off. And as you can see, it takes a little bit of wiggling. So next, we need to take an 1/8 inch Allen socket. And we need to come down and remove our drain plugs, which are located under each electrical connection. So, the next thing we need to do is take out the old injector. So in order to do that, you need to take this and flip it back. And then just pull out your electrical. Just like so. Then we're going to take an 8mm socket and take our bolt out. For this next part, we're gonna let my husband Chris take over because it requires a little more muscle than I have.
Alright, so as Francie mentioned, we took out the bottom bolt. But we left the top one in. It doesn't need to come out. So you just take the back of it, push the collar forward like that to make sure it disengages that top bolt. So here we got our ejector collar pushed up. Then we're going to get underneath the middle part of the injector body and carefully pry up on it. Once you feel it give, it'll pull right out. And so that's what your injector bore looks like once the injector's out. Now you need to get that cleaned up with Scotch-Brite and some lint-free towels. So even though we took that drain plug out, there's still going to be some oil that gets down in your cylinders. So I got one of these little suction guns, and we're going to go ahead and suck what's in the cylinder back out. You just keep doing that till you feel like you've got all the oil out of the cylinder. Alright, so once you think you've got all the oil out of your cylinder and your ejector cup clean, go ahead and put oil on your new O-rings. And we'll go ahead and set this in place. Once you've got your injector set back into place, just put your palm on it. Give it a good little push there. Then you should be able to slip the collar back over the top bolt. To make sure your back bolt is able to slide into the collar like so. Once you got your injector in place, you've got to push down and your hold down collars beneath your top bolt. Just put a wrench on the other end of your hold down collar, push down. And that's how you seat it.
Okay, I'm back. So now we need to reinstall our bolt. And now we need to reconnect our electrical connection. Pop that back in and push that back down. So now all you have left to do is to reinstall the valve cover.
And we're actually taking our old injectors and doing a stage 1 rebuild kit on our own. So if you want to see how that's done, make sure to hit that subscribe button.
Until next time, bye!